I'm going to help reduce some of your stress levels. If not today, then in some future event. You can see by the little graphic on the right that we're all overwhelmed with things to do. And I'm going to help you out in trying to take down some of that stress by using some software from Google called Google Keep, okay? And of course, the problem is your brain is overwhelmed by too many actions needing to be done. This is probably a typical to-do list for me and you both. And in many cases, you enter into a mental paralysis. What should I do? Oh my God, then I wind up doing nothing. Or you make poor choices that lead to frustration, dissatisfaction, and stress. And of course, your well-being goes down the tubes, okay? So the solution is Google Keep is a software solution. It comes in, you can use it both on desktop or mobile. And the cool thing is that it inputs text or voice and it transcripts the speech to text. So it's a quick, simple note taker that captures ideas. It has minimal formatting options, but the important thing, it helps prioritize things by labeling and reminders. And you can actually export the doc seamlessly, which is really important if you want to make it look a little bit pretty in a print form, okay? So how do you reset and exit decision paralysis? Here's 5 steps, okay? This has nothing to do with software, but take deep rest for a minute. Acknowledge your emotions. Hey, how do you feel? You want to get rid of that, oh my God, I'm up against it, I'm losing my mind. This is the important part. You're going to use Google Keep and most likely your smartphone to dump all those actions that are locked up in your head into Google Keep. Use the speech input. It makes it really fast. And once you're done, you're going to focus on the immediate need. You're going to select 3 to 5 items. And you have an opportunity to do those to help you break out of this mental paralysis, okay? Here's a little look at how to interface with Google Keep. This is the mobile app. What you're going to do is when you first, the image on the left here is when you first open up Google Keep, you're going to click on this lower right. It's going to be a plus sign. It's for a new note. Then you're going to click on audio. And then the screen will look like this middle graphic. You're going to click on this microphone icon, and then it's going to immediately record your voice and whatever message you give it. Now, and this far one shows exactly how it's going to look. It transcribes the speech to text. How cool is that? I mean, it's instantaneous. And of course, the formatting is minimal, so you might have to go in there and actually make it a list-like. But then again, you can export it to Google Docs to make it pretty. So this is just a scratching of the surface. Go in there and play with it. You're going to find that not only is it good for creating lists, but also for recording whatever actions or thoughts come to your mind, and then you can further export them to docs to polish them or expand on them.